Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading and a happy new week to you. Today, I would like to show you another strategy that we will be using to trade the financial market, especially Forex. Okay, all right, I'll be using simple indicators that is free on the internet. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, like the video, and chat me up on my Telegram group. All right, let's start by organizing our chart. Excuse me, adding the indicator one by one. But before I do that, I want to change the background of this. So let me go with white in the foreground, black. Bar up, let me use blue. Bar down, okay, bull candle, and let me leave it as let me use line. Then the bear candle, let me use red. About that here too, let me use red also. Okay, all right, you can press Ctrl G on your keyboard to remove the grid, and let's enlarge it a bit. Okay, all right, I'll be adding few indicator. The first one I'm going to add is moving average, MA. Here you see it, the moving average. I'm going to add the moving average 5, MA5, 60 exponential, apply to close. But I've changed this color to blue. You can change to any color you want, and click OK. So the second one I would like to add is MA15. Apply to close exponential also, but I would like to change this to red, and this is okay by me. Now we have the two moving average on the chart. Time to reduce this with a bit. Okay, so we have the moving average is now the 5 and 15 MA. So I will add another indicator, symbol changer. You can add as many pairs you want. So just separate it either by comma or colon. So let me paste the one I've typed on my notepad. So you can use many pairs as you want that you want to watch. On the time frame, I'm going to change it to false. I don't want the time frame to show, and the number of pairs and time frame button in the, so I'm going to change this to 2 because I only wanted 2 horizontal, and separate. Every other thing is okay here. Just click OK, and now we have a lot of pairs, more than the one I've selected, just because I didn't turn off this auto select. So change it to manual, and it's going to and it's going to change and remain to the only pair you want to see. And here is it right now, few pairs. And then let me add the other indicator. I'm going to add the other indicator now. So this indicator is also free, but I'm going to turn off this other color. I don't need it. I only need the last 2, 3, and 4. So I would like to go with black colors. My background is white. Okay. So the other thing you need to change by default is 1.618. You can check it out and see the signal generated by 1.618 bounce deviation. But if you are not okay with it, you can change to 2.5. After that, just click OK and everything will be fine. And it's so tiny. So let's try and increase the width. Let's go with 4. All right, so anybody can see this now. Now we are okay with this indicators, the 3 indicators on the chart, but I would like to add one more indicator. You can trade with this as I will explain later, but let me try and add another indicator. And here is this indicator is also free also, and you can Google it also, it's free. Now just click OK. Once you click OK, you see all these pivot points at the central pivot point, the overbought or ultimate resistance zone, as we can see, extremely overbought, and on the lower side we have ultimate support, overshoot, and extreme overshoot. But most of the time I don't want all this line. I only need the central pivot and the ultimate resistance, the 3 lines above and this below. So I'm going to change this. So I'm going to change, turn the other color to none. I don't want it, but if you are cool with it, you can just leave it. This is just my way of doing things. I like it simple. So just double click on it and change it to none. All right. Just click OK once you are done. Now it is clear, and we can do anything we want to do now. Let's try and see how this simple strategy works. It's very simple, and I'm going to explain. You can use it on any pairs at all. Let's use see crypto, and on crypto I prefer either 5 or 15 minutes, and let me change it to 5 minutes, and let's see the signal generated by these indicators and how we use this simple strategy. Number one thing you have to consider when using this particular strategy is to look out for the moving averages. We have the MA5 and the MA15, and we have this indicator like star. Now, the first thing we look out for is this. If these indicators give us a signal, the black one, excuse me, please, the black one give us signal for a sell. This is actually for a sell. You are going to look out for these two moving average, the MA, to actually cross the blue, to cross the red down. But if that does not happen, you are not going to take that trade. This is a way of checking which signal is going to deliver and which will not deliver to reduce our drawdown. And at this point, it didn't cross, so we are not going to take this trade. And at this point also, it crossed. The blue actually crossed the red down at this point. It actually crossed. This is the signal, and then it crossed at this point. So you place your order for a sell at this particular point, and the stop loss will be like a 10 or 20 pips above the previous high. This is the previous high before this signal was confirmed, so the stop loss will be above, and you can target the middle central pivot point or the lower one, or you trade your profit as the trend continues downward in your direction. So this is a simple way to actually trade this signal. I will like to disconnect so that we'll be able to check the previous signal. And one thing you should note is that this star does not repaint. This does not repaint. It won't disappear, and that's why you see it keep on reoccurring. It's not going to disappear. So another, okay, let's check the previous yesterday signal generated. This is actually crypto, and we have another one here for a sell, and this actually cross at this point. So you place your sell here, and then we have a buy signal here. You can, once you see this one, you can, it's either you close or you at the opposite one, opposite signal. It's either you close it or you start training your profit if you are not using take profit. And here we have the signal, and it was actually confirmed at this point where the blue MA5 actually crossed above MA15, and here is it, and the signal actually give us a good, it deliver well. And here we have opposite star, but we are not going to take this signal because it didn't cross. And at this point we have a buy signal also that actually deliver. So let's check another crypto and see. And here's another one for a buy, and then it went up a bit and didn't deliver well, so most likely it will have hit our stop loss. And here is the second one, and we are still in that direction right now if you actually pick that trade. And here is a sell, and confirm at this point, and it deliver for us also. So this is how this simple strategy works. And let's check gold. So let's check on 15 minutes. You can trade it on 5 minutes also. Still the same principle. When it crosses the two moving averages, you place your trade. And here is it. We have a buy signal generated. It was confirmed at this point. Confirmed at this point, and we are still in that direction right now. So you check on 15 minutes also, and here is it. So you can trade this particular strategy on any time frame you like. And here is Great Britain's Australia dollar, and here is it. Give us a sell signal, confirm at this point, and it deliver as in well. Here is another one for a buy, no signal, it didn't cross. And today we have signal for a buy, and after this candle close, this might actually cross, so you wait for it and place your trade. This is how this simple strategy works. It works well. You can use it on any time frame you like. So if you would like to get this particular settings, kindly, as I've shown you in this indicator, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and I will see you in my Telegram group. I come your way again. Do enjoy your day, and happy trading. Happy peaceful week. Bye.